Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. It has been quite some time since I have uploaded a video and I'm so sorry about that. I know I have so many new faces around here, but we actually have some exciting news and I have a good reason for being away. So check out this next clip and see what we've been up to. So as you can see, we are expecting our first little baby coming up here at the beginning of July. We're so excited. So as I'm recording this, I'm actually 33 and a half weeks pregnant. So we are coming around to the end of this pregnancy. The beginning kind of kicked my butt, so I just needed to take some time. I've still been doing projects, so I have some videos to share with you guys, and I'm really excited. So we ended up cleaning out my office and turning this into the nursery. So here is the official before. As you can see, it is a complete disaster. So the very first thing I started with was actually making a DIY change table. So I picked up this off of Marketplace. It was a TV stand. I think I paid around $50 for it. I added legs just like I did in my previous furniture flip video and built a base and then just painted it all. I know a few people were wondering why I didn't prime. This paint and primer from Deluxe, it's a paint and primer in one, and honestly I'm really happy with it. We have had this change table in there for a little while, and if something happens and I need to repaint it or touch it up, I will definitely do that, but the paint seems to adhere just fine. I sand it all down, give it something good and tough to adhere to, and it seems to be all good. So let me know if you guys have any more questions, but yeah, I'm really happy with how this came together. Probably one of my favorite nursery projects overall. A couple months later, we ended up doing a really big shop just for all of the furniture, for the crib, for the rocking chair, and we had just a little date night of putting everything together, which was so fun. The crib was a little bit hectic, but it ended up going together okay. We picked up the crib from Ikea, and what you'll see Jordan pointing out to me there is actually the warning label that they put on either side of the crib, but it is actually like inked into the crib, so I ended up having to sand it all down to get it off. It wasn't a sticker, there was no other way, so that was a little bit frustrating. And the last thing I wanted to do in this room was to create a really cool geometric molding wall. I've seen this on Pinterest a bunch and I just really wanted to go for it. So I'm using 2.5-inch moldings just from Home Depot. They come in a pack of 10, so this wall was actually super affordable. It only ended up costing me about $50 for the lumber. And you just get to work, and all of the angles that I'm cutting are 45 degrees, and then you'll see here shortly we start hanging some horizontal boards, and I think it just ended up coming together really awesome. The color that I picked was a little bit out of my normal, but I'm actually really happy with it, and I think it's going to be the perfect neutral little baby room to hang out and yeah, just relax. Once I had pinned all of the moldings onto the wall, I did go around and caulk all of the seams, and I filled the nail holes with some DAP wood filler, and that probably took the most time. It was extremely time consuming. I ended up doing it over a couple of nights, but it did work out. I'm just getting to the end of this pregnancy and I'm getting very tired. I'm also curious, we don't know what the gender is, so let me know if you guys found out with your kids. The color that I chose for this wall is called Tony Taupe, and I actually just ended up getting it mixed at Deluxe for a color match. It is such a good color in person, and once you get the second coat on, the first coat is always scary. It took a couple months, actually quite a few months, to put this room together. So all of the things that I bought for it are kind of from all different places. So I will try and link as much as I can below, and if you guys have questions about any of the things in the room, just drop them in the comments below and I will try and let you know. Just be aware some of the things are from Winners and Home Sense, so I can't link those. I have one more project left to do in this nursery to finish it up before this little bub arrives, so stay tuned for that. We are going to be doing a full built-in closet makeover, and I'm really excited. I'm actually getting started on it here this week, so stay tuned for that video.